open Play Store and search PyDroid, PYDROID. Just type PyDroid and PyDroid. These two, PyDroid and the PyDroid repository plugin, these two apps you have to install to work on Python coding. Look at the icon py3, that is PyDroid IDE for Python. So I have already installed this. So you can install this app in your system. I show you how this app will work. So I have already installed, so I will open this. Look at here, the py3, just open, and this screen will appear, and you can type the command here: import matplotlib dot but to work on matplotlib we have to install this library. So to install this library, click on these three horizontal bar and pip option. You have to select pip option and then quick install, and then this matplotlib, you can install matplotlib here, and the matplotlib is installing, and it will show the message once it will be installed. Okay, successfully installed matplotlib. Again one more library you need, numpy. You can install numpy here. Just click on numpy and this will be installed. In class 12th one more library we will learn, that is pandas. So we can also install pandas here. So pandas is installing here. Okay, now it has been completed. Now move to the main screen where, and here you can write your code, and this is the interface, and this yellow circle, and it is used to run your program. Suppose I am writing a program to showing you, and you can assign the value of x equals to, here you can install, you can use, suppose I am using 1, 2, 3, and third y equals to something, I am using y equals to, and 10, 20, 30, comma is missing here, comma 10, and it is very difficult to type, and then line plot. I am creating line plot here. You can create any plot. The plt dot plot, and just you pass x comma y, and the last line is plt dot show, and then you can run this program. Invalid syntax, so there is a invalid in import. Okay, let me check. Import matplotlib dot pyplot, there should be a space as plt, and then you can run your program, and again there is no module, find matplotlib dot pyplot, तो pyplot लिख दिया मैंने, pyplot, दिक्कत होती है, pyplot, then you can run. Again too many values unexpected, 1, 2, 3 that value is 20 20 30 y. Okay, here is the comma I have written here, so you have to remove this comma, and again you can run your program. Look at here, and your program now running. So in this way you can do your practical on this app. And one more thing, to install libraries you need this repository, so you also have to install PyDroid repository plugin. So you have to install this. I have already installed, so you have to install this PyDroid repository plugin to install library. So you can use this app to do your practical if you do not have laptop or computer. Okay, thank you.